Tired of all the headaches your server is giving your business? Looking for a smarter way to manage and share company files? Look no further. The Business Hub is a ready-built SharePoint solution for business. The Business Hub is the easiest, smartest, most cost-effective way to replace your company's server and move your files to the cloud. Built in SharePoint Online, which is included in an Office 365 subscription, Business Hub is a template that creates a robust homepage, complete with department folders to store all your files. Your homepage comes branded with your company logo, colors, and imagery. Store up to 1 terabyte of company documents in the departments you choose. Each department's document folder can be synced with your PC so that you can access these files the same way you're used to, or you can access them online from virtually anywhere. You can easily create files, folders, upload documents, and securely share documents with people inside and outside of your organization by setting document permissions. You can even restrict department folder access to certain staff who are not able to view the documents in that department. Every company homepage comes pre-built with a company calendar for displaying important company events, birthdays, holidays, and more. This can even be synced with your own Outlook account. The project timeline is also included on the homepage to show major projects for everyone to see. The staff directory is a great feature for quickly finding someone in your organization. And lastly, the discussions area is available for having ongoing chats and uploading photos, similar to a social media company newsfeed. Your Business Hub is fully integrated into Office 365, meaning all your work is completely connected with all your other Office 365 apps. It's secure and reliable on the Microsoft platform, with the ability to restrict department access and share files securely. It's all cloud-based and accessible from anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get the Business Hub set up and get rid of that server.